Well, this has to be a woohoo moment. We have some video coming out of the intensity socket on the back panel of the display unit on this 5420, running the 5420B software, and I'm amazed, but it's actually happening, and so it looks like we might have a problem in the video subsystem rather than with the software in the unit. And I'll just swing the camera around, and you can have a look at the waveform on the Crow. And there we have video waveform, and if I press the setup state function, we get a change in the video waveform. Now I press the setup state function again, and we go back to what we had. So at the very least, I know we got the video signal out to the video subsystem. So I'm pretty bloody stoked at the moment, and next thing is to see why we're not getting anything on the display. Right, tape's running, and in fact I'll try and give you a bit of an idea. You can see tape drive running there, and if we go down onto the computer control panel, the top, the light at the left top is the view light. That's indicating the records, checksum of the records is okay. Input light is steady, which is good. If it's flashing, we've got a problem. Remote light below it is flickering. That's indicating presence absence of the record. And at the moment the tape is rewinding automatically, and once we're rewound, it should do another quick light test, and then once that's happened, the ready light should actually come up on screen, and once we're there, I can then press the start button, and then hopefully we've got something happening. There we go. The ready light is on. Okay. Press start. And it looks like we have a big fat nothing. Okay, we shall just zoom out, and we've got nothing on the screen. Well, just as I was about to start doing some fault finding, I noticed a very faint square on part of a square on the screen, and it looks like things need to be set up. So I'm just going to use the position controls and bring it down. We now have something there, and let me find a gold-plated adjuster, and hopefully we can start to get some intensity information a bit better. Oh, look at that! Look at that! We have got, you probably can't see it very well on the screen. I'm going to have to use some positioning. But we have bloody operational digital signal analyzer. Here is a sawtooth, 5 kilohertz sawtooth waveform being displayed with linear magnitude, and we'll just zoom out a bit, and I shall change over to logarithmic magnitude and zoom back in, and we can see the difference, and we're on a 100 dB scale there.